welcome to Duke's Wafi Sakshi Spelby for the academic year 2023-24. And this is going to be Sakshi's 12th edition of Spelby, which began in the year 2012. From there, the journey has been really incredible. It's all you parents, it's all you school, it's all these little ones who have pushed up this journey till here. And talking about the Sakshi edition of 2023, this year we had witnessed nearly 500 schools participating in this edition, cut across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. That itself speaks what Sakshi Spelby is all about. They have been raising the bar all year by year, and the children are also equally proving competitive. It's a request from the parents and the school community to extend your warmest cooperation with us. B Masters, we have two B Masters. One is Ms. Pooja Dhulipala right here, and the other one is Rani Dhulipala right here. Thank you all. I call for my first contestant number 1, Tanvish Sai from Sri Chaitanya School, Madhurwada to Visakhapatnam.
Your first word is errand.
ERRAND.
Perfect. Your second word is redeem.
REDEEM.
Perfect. Very good.
Now I call upon my second participant, K. Havish Pavan Sethi from BP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada.
Your first word is hybrid.
HYBRID.
Perfect. Your second word is usher.
ASHAW.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. It's USHER, usher. But thank you.
You'll still be seen in the tiebreaker session. So now we have our third contestant, Saharsh R from Viva the School, Guntur.
Your word is shabby.
SHABBY.
Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's cruise.
CRUISE.
Perfect. Thank you. You can go back to your seat.
Now I call upon my fourth contestant, P. Suhas from Pratibha Educate Rajamandri.
Your first word is nasal.
Can you repeat the word, ma'am?
Nasal.
NAISEL.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. It is NASAL, nasal. Okay? Moving on to the second word, chorus.
CHORUS.
Perfect. Very good.
Now I call upon my fifth contestant, Jashrita Laukia from Rainbow CBSE School, Nellore.
The first word is flannel.
FLANNEL.
Perfect. Very good. Your second word is horde.
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning?
Horde means a large group of people.
HORDE.
Perfect. Very good.
Contestant number 6, it's Tirtha Sai from Edify School, Tirupati.
Your word is gauze.
GAUZE.
Perfect. Your second word is mourn.
MOUND.
Not mound. Sorry, the word was mourn. MOURN.
I call upon contestant number 7. This is Aditri Goyal from Trips International School, Rajamandri.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
It's quail.
QUAIL.
Perfect. Your second word is spiral.
SPIRAL.
Perfect. Very good.
We are moving on to contestant number 8. This is Suchit Kanchalla from Shamrock International School, Vijayawada.
Your word is posture.
Can I have the definition?
Posture refers to the position in which someone holds their body while either sitting or standing.
Posture.
Perfect. Your second word is volatile.
Volatile.
Perfect. Very good.
Now I have contestant number 9. This is Venkata Hanuma Sai Teja from Laurel High Global School, Rajamandri.
Your word is cashew.
Cashew.
Perfect. Your second word is humble.
Humble. Humble.
Perfect.
Going on to contestant number 10. This is Manvik Sai Simha Reddy from Edify World School, Kurnool.
Your word is despair.
Could I have the definition?
It refers to a complete loss or absence of hope.
Despair.
Perfect. Your second word is poach.
Poach.
Perfect. Well done.
So calling upon contestant number 11. This is P. Tanish from St. John's English Medium High School, Vijayawada.
Your first word is exhaust.
Exhaust.
Perfect. Your second word is rowdy.
Rowdy.
Perfect.
So contestant number 12. This is Chaitanya from Trips International School, Rajamandri.
Your first word is stench.
Stench.
Perfect. Your second word is abolish.
Abolish.
Perfect.
Calling upon contestant number 13. This is Ashrita M from Trips International School, Rajamandri.
Your first word is burial.
Burial.
Perfect. Your second word is cocoa.
Cocoa.
Perfect. Very good.
Now I have contestant number 14. This is C. Saurish Reddy, Rainbow CBSE School, Nellore.
The word is opera.
Can I have the definition?
Opera means a dramatic work in one or more acts that are all set to music for both instrumentalists as well as singers.
Opera.
Perfect. Your second word is hiccup.
Hiccup.
Perfect. Very good.
I have contestant number 15 as V.S. Amudhini from Rid School, Kurnool.
Your first word is mound.
Mound.
Perfect. Your second word is fleece.
Fleece.
Perfect.
Going on for contestant number 16 is Keethana from Laurel High Global School, Rajamandri.
The first word for you is gravel.
Gravel. Gravel.
Perfect. Your second word is easel.
Easel. Easel. Easel.
Perfect. Very good.
So we have 3 contestants who are moving on to the tiebreaker round. So I now call upon for them, and this is a tiebreaker round. You'll be giving a single word elimination, right? So I call upon contestant number 2. This is Havish Pawan Shetty from VP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada.
Your word is sequel.
Sequel.
Perfect.
I now call upon my next contestant, contestant number 4, P. Suhas from Pratibha Educare.
Hi, your tiebreaker word is foliage.
Foilage.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The right spelling is F-O-L-I-A-G-E.
I request contestant number 6 to walk over. This is S. Tirtha Sai from Edifice School, Tirupati.
Hi, your tiebreaker word is parapet.
Parapet.
Perfect. Very well done.
We are going for round 2. It's a single word elimination round, right? We start and kindly ask for hints in case you require them. Got it? Perfect. So I'm going to call contestant number 1, that is Tanvish Sai K from Sri Chaitanya School, Maduravada, Vishakhapatnam.
So your word is quads.
Quartz.
Perfect. Thank you.
Second contestant, this is Havish Pavan Sethi.
So your second word is terrace.
Terrace.
Perfect.
I call upon Saharsh R, representing Viva the School, Guntur.
Your third word is species.
Species.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Saharsh. So I call upon contestant number 5. This is Jashrita Laukia from Rainbow CBSE School, Nellore.
Your word is dreary.
Dreary.
Perfect.
That's perfect, Jashrita. So I now call upon Tirtha Sai as contestant number 6 from Edifice School, Tirupati.
Your word is ramble.
Ramble.
Perfect.
Calling on for contestant number 7, this is Aditri Goyal from Trips International School.
Your word is vertical.
Verticle.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. It is Vertical. Vertical. Thank you.
I now call upon contestant number 8. This is Suchit Kancharla from Shamrock International School, Vijayawada.
So your word is mystify.
Mystify.
Perfect.
Thank you, Suchit. I now call upon contestant number 9. This is Venkata Hanuma Sai Teja from Laurel High Global School, Rajahmundry.
So your word is prevail.
Prevail.
Perfect.
I call upon contestant number 10. This is Manvik Sai Simhareddy from Edify World School, Karnool.
Your word is astound.
Could I have the meaning, please?
Astound normally means a great surprise or a shock.
Astound.
Perfect. Thank you.
I call upon contestant number 11. This is P. Tanish from St. John's English Medium High School.
Your word is conspire.
Can you repeat the word?
Conspire.
Conspire.
Perfect.
I call upon contestant number 12. This is Chaitanya from Trips International School, Rajahmundry.
Your word is extinct.
Extinct.
Perfect.
I now call upon Ashrita, contestant number 13 from Trips International School.
Hi.
Hi,
Your
ma'am.
word is rampage.
Rampage.
She's right. Contestant number 14, this is C. Saurish Reddy, Rainbow CBSE School.
Your word is skillet.
Definition?
Skillet is a frying pan that's usually used for cooking.
Can you repeat the word?
Skillet.
C-U-L-L-E-T.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. The right spelling is S-K-I-L-L-E-T.
Now I call upon contestant number 15. This is V.S. Amudhini from Rit School, Kurnool.
Your word is vague.
W-A-I-G-E.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling. Vague is spelled V-A-G-U-E. Vague.
I call upon a final contestant. This is contestant number 16, S. Keetana from Laurel High Global School, Rajahmundry.
Your word is biopsy.
Biopsy. B-I-O-P-S-Y. Biopsy.
Perfect. Please return to your seat. Thank you. So before moving on to round 3, we are going to do a tiebreaker because we have 12 participants left in this round. Are you all ready for it? It will be one word per participant. You get it right, you move on to the next round. And if you don't, unfortunately, that's the end of the journey here. Okay?
So calling on for contestant number 1. This is Tanvish Sai K. Sri Chaitanya School, Maduravada, Vishakhapatnam. Tanvish is all from Sri Chaitanya School.
Your word is anxious.
A-N-K-I-O-U-S.
I'm sorry, that is not the right spelling. It is anxious, which is spelled A-N-X-I-O-U-S.
We move on for contestant number 2. This is K. Havish Pavan Sethi from VP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada.
So your word is disciple.
D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E.
Perfect. Very well done.
Moving on to contestant number 3. This is Saharsh R from Viva the School, Guntur.
Your word is iguana.
Can you repeat the word?
Iguana.
E-G-U-A-N-A.
I'm sorry, unfortunately, that's not the right spelling. The word iguana is spelled I-G-U-A-N-A. It's a reptile that is commonly kept as a pet also. It's a massive lizard-like reptile. Okay? Thank you.
Moving on to the next contender. This is contestant number 5. This is Jashrita Laukia from Rainbow CBSE School, Nellore.
Your word is spectator.
S-P-E-C-T-A-T-O-R.
Perfect. Please return to your seat. Good job.
Moving on to the next contender. Contestant number 6 is Tirtha Sai from Edify School, Tirupati.
Your word is apathy.
A-P-A-T-H-E-I-D.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The spelling of apathy is A-P-A-T-H-Y. Apathy. Okay? Thank you.
So now I call upon contestant number 8. We have Suchit Kancharala from Shamrock International School, Vijayawada.
Your word is crescent.
Can I have the definition?
Crescent essentially refers to a curved sickle-like shape that's used to describe the moon when it is waxing or waning.
C-R-E-S-C-E-N-T.
Perfect. Very good.
So now I call upon contestant number 9. This is Venkata Hanuma Sai Teja, Laurel High Global School.
Your word is presence.
P-R-E-S-C-E-N-C-E.
Right spelling of the word presence is P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E. You said S-C-N-E-C-E, right? So that was it.
10. It's Manvik Sai Simhareddy from Edify World School, Kurnool.
Your word is classify.
C-L-A-S-I-F-Y.
I'm sorry, unfortunately that's wrong. The word classify is spelled CLASSIFY. Thank you.
I call upon contestant number 11. This is P. Tanish from St. John's English Medium High School, Vijayawada.
Your word is orchard.
ORCHAD.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunately the wrong spelling. The word is spelled ORCHARD. Just one letter's difference.
So calling upon contestant number 12, this is Chaitanya from Trips International School, Rajamandri.
Your word is debacle.
DEBACCLE.
Unfortunately, that's not the right spelling, but thank you for participating. Please have your seat again.
Now I call upon contestant number 13. This is Ashrita M from Trips International School, Rajamandri.
Your word is virtue.
VIRTUE.
Perfect. Thank you.
Calling upon the last contestant, contestant number 16, S. Keetana from Laurel High Global School, Rajamandri.
So your word is generic.
Generic. GENERIC. Generic.
Perfect. Very well done, Keetana.
So we are moving for our rapid round. I have 5 contestants, and we have contestant number 13, we have contestant number 5, contestant number 8, 2, and 16. So I'm going to call upon contestant number 2. This is Havish Pavan Sethi. You will be given 60 seconds, and we have a timer displayed over there. It's working, right? Okay, so in this 1 minute, you should be able to crack the spellings of 5 words. All right, if you are stuck up with the spelling of any one word, you didn't get that, move on to the next word.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Thank you.
Your first word as the timer begins is alignment.
ALIGNMENT.
That's right. Your second word is ignorant.
IGNORANT.
Very good. That's right. Your third word is lubricate.
LUBRICATE.
Perfect. Your fourth word is moderation.
MODERATION.
Perfect. Your fifth word is spacious.
SPACIOUS.
Very well done and
Perfect,
well
Hamish.
within the time.
So I call upon contestant number 8. We have Suchit Kanchalla from Shamrock International School, Vijayawada.
So your first word is insinuate.
And can I have the definition, please?
Insinuate means to suggest or hint at something. This is usually something bad and it is done in a way that's indirect.
INSINSUATE.
I'm sorry, that's not the right spelling, but we can move on to the next word. It's acknowledge.
ACKNOWLEDGE.
Perfect. That's right. Third word is numerous.
NUMEROUS.
Perfect. Fourth word is pharmacy.
PHARMACY.
Perfect. Fifth word is, I'm sorry, we got to only 4 words.
Next contestant is going to be Jashrita Lokia from Rainbow CBSE School, Nellore.
Your first word is compromise.
COMPROMISE.
Perfect. That's right. Second word is atmosphere.
ATMOSPHERE.
That's right. Third word is anniversary.
ANNIVERSARY.
Perfect. That's right. Fourth word is Foreground.
FOREGROUND.
That's right. Your final word is melodious.
MELODIOUS.
That's perfect. Very well done.
Moving on to our next contender, it's Ashrita, contestant number 13 from TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry.
Your first word is anticipation.
ANTICIPATION.
Perfect. Your second word is contagious.
CONTAGIOUS.
Okay, that's right. Third word is temperature.
TEMPERATURE.
Fourth word is encounter.
ENCOUNTER.
Perfect. And your final word is binoculars.
BINOCULARS.
Right. All the five were right. Thank you.
So moving on to our last contestant, this is Yes Ketana, Laurel High Global School, Rajahmundry.
Your first word is mechanical.
Mechanical. MECHANICAL. Mechanical.
Perfect. That's right. Your second word is accelerate.
Accelerate. ACCELERATE. Accelerate.
Perfect. That's right. Your third word is confidence.
Confidence. CONFIDENCE. Confidence.
Perfect. Very well done. Your fourth word is suspicion.
Suspicion. SUSPICION. Suspicion.
And your final word is requisite.
Requisite. REQUISITE. Requisite.
Perfect. Very well done.
Very well done. That's good. Can I request contestant number 2, Havish Pavan Sethi? So we are going for a tiebreaker session, and this is a single word elimination. So I have 4 contestants who are moving on for the tiebreaker session. I have Havish Sethi, I have Jashrita, I have Ashrita, and I have Ketana.
Okay. Your word is stampede.
STAMPEDE.
Perfect.
I request Jashrita Laukia to come over.
Your word is gazelle.
GAZELLE.
That's perfect.
I request contestant number 13, Ashrita M.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's biennial.
BIENNIAL.
Perfect.
So I request S. Ketana, contestant number 16.
So your word is audacious.
Audacious. AUDACIOUS. Audacious.
That's perfect.
So I now call upon contestant number 2, Havish Pavan.
Your word is contaminate.
CONTAMINATE.
That's perfect.
I call upon Jashrita Laukia, contestant number 5.
Your word is luminous.
LUMINOUS.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Jashrita. I call upon Ashrita M.
Your word is complacency.
COMPLACENCY.
That's perfect.
So it's once again Ketana.
Your word is disposition.
Disposition. DISPOSITION. Disposition.
That's perfect.
So I now call upon contestant number 2, Havish Pavan.
first word for you now is aqueous.
ACQUIESCE.
I'm so sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The spelling is AQUEOUS, aqueous. Okay? Thank you.
I now call upon contestant number 5. This is Jashrita Laukya.
So the word for you is eloquence.
ALLOQUAINCE.
I'm so sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The spelling is ELOQUENCE.
I now call upon Ashrita M.
The word for you is humongous.
HUMONGOUS.
Perfect.
I now call upon contestant number 16, that is Ketana.
The word for you is promiscuous.
Promiscuous. PROMISQUOUS.
I'm sorry, that's wrong. Promiscuous is spelled PROMISCUOUS. Promiscuous.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we have one amongst them who is already into the gold medal winner, right? Can you all guess who it is? M. Ashrita, contestant number 13. So the gold medal is already locked. We are looking at silver and bronze. We have 3 contenders for it, marching with the equal number. So I call upon once again Havish. It's Havish, Jashrita and Ketana.
So the word for you is concierge.
CONSIERGE.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The spelling is CONCIERGE. Concierge. Thank you.
I now call upon contestant number 5. This is Jashrita Laukya.
The word for you is deteriorate.
DETERIORATE.
That's perfect. Very well done.
So now I have my contestant number 16, that is Ketana.
Vivacious.
Vivacious. VIVASCIOUS.
I'm sorry, that's unfortunately wrong. The spelling is VIVACIOUS. Vivacious. Thank you.
But still we have a tiebreaker for you, dear. So we have the spot reserved for silver 2 that's taken by Jashrita, and now the spot open is only for bronze. It's a tie between Havish and Ketana. So I request Havish once again.
So the word for you is flamboyant.
FLAMBOYANT.
Perfect.
And now I call upon Ketana.
The word for you is circumlocution.
CIRCUMLOCUTION.
That's
Circumlocution.
That's
Perfect. Beautiful, dear.
Very
so
well
once
done.
again, it's a tie
It's
between
a tie between.
Havish and Ketana.
The word for you is archaeology.
ARCHAEOLOGY.
That's perfect.
And now I call upon Ketana.
The word for you is cybernaut.
Cybernaut. CYBERNAUT. Cybernaut.
That's perfect.
Again, once again, it is Havish.
Exaggerate.
EXAGGERATE.
That's perfect. Thank you.
And now I call upon Ketana.
The word for you is egocentric.
Egocentric. EGOCENTRIC. Egocentric.
Wonderful.
Once again, Havish.
Okay, the first word for you is superfluous.
SUPERFLUOUS.
That's perfect.
And now I call upon Ketana.
The word for you is triennium.
Meaning?
Triennium refers to a specified period of 3 years.
TYR ANNIUM.
I'm sorry, sweetie, you just missed it by a little, unfortunately. The spelling of the word triennium is TRIENNIUM. You were so close, and this was a tough chat.
It was the best round, the best. This is competition. Amazing, dear. You are amazing. So we have all our 3 winners over here. We have the gold winner, gold medal taken by Ashrita M. And we have the silver backed by Jashrita Laukia. And we have the bronze taken over by Havish Pavan Sethi. And the tight and the close contender was Ketna. The brainchild behind TRIPS International School Rajahmundry, which we had been seeing, sending huge number of participants in Spell Bee, and these numbers have been increasing as the years roll out. Ma'am, we would like to hear a few words from you.
It's my pleasure and pride to be here. Not only this year, year after year, I have been here past 12 years. And I'm very fortunate to have the kids who have been winning here, and all my teachers who are always behind them. This platform to perform, each and every child is coming here to do something. To win is their goal, but one day surely they will reach that. I wish you all success.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now the final part of it, I would like to request the bronze medal winner, K. Havish Pavan Sethi. So this is Jashrita Laukia, who is our silver medalist for today's Spell Bee competition in category 2. And finally, today's gold medal winner, Ashrita M. from TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry.